Hello. So the last bit of this rack assembly is putting on the tie rod and the knuckle here on the end of the rack. Now what happens is that is a lock washer to this knuckle, and as you can see, when it's tightened we have to lock down the tabs. There's one there and one down here. That bit, that's the old tab. So you can see how much I've actually adjusted it to get the play out of this knuckle. And when you put it on, it should be stiff. Not tight, just stiff. So it should hold up on its own. It shouldn't flop down like that. And the other thing you do is you get a rag, put it on the end of the tie rod, push it all the way in, and in that knuckle it should not move in and out. It should have zero play. Again, thanks for watching.